What if a pickup truck wasn't designed in a car studio, but engineered inside a heavy machinery development lab? What if a truck wasn't built for the road first, but for the world outside the map? Today you're about to see it. Welcome back to Drive Rain, the place where we explore the machines built to push limits. And in today's review, we are looking at a truck that is not just a new model, it's a new category. This is the 2026 Caterpillar pickup, the first consumer-focused machine ever built by the legendary industrial giant that powers mining sites, earth-moving platforms, and heavy-load transport across the world. Caterpillar didn't just release a pickup, they released a portable construction platform disguised as an off-road truck. The exterior design speaks one word: capability. The body is formed from a reinforced steel exoshell bonded with impact-resistant composite panels. No curves for beauty, only angles for function. The front carries an integrated steel bumper with a hydraulic anchoring slot designed for ground fixing in slope winching. The grille is a hexagonal industrial mesh protected by a rigid frame. Dual vertical LED strips serve as both visibility lights and hazard signals. The hood is tall, squared, and fitted with airflow vents that direct cooling into the hybrid turbodiesel electric unit beneath. The side profile is unlike any pickup on the market. Exposed structural beams, modular storage rails, and armored wheel arches that can take direct stone impact at high speed. The truck rides on 38-inch all-terrain industrial tires, the same compound Caterpillar uses on its smaller utility machines. The wheels carry a deep offset for stability and allow the truck to remain balanced even during uneven ground operations. The chassis is a ladder frame reinforced with industrial-grade cross-torsion bars, giving the truck bending resistance normally reserved for heavy loaders. At the rear, the bed isn't a normal pickup bed. It is a modular utility platform with integrated tool anchors, removable battery storage, and dual hydraulic ports. You can attach power tools, portable welders, compressors, pumps, or earth-cutting equipment without needing a separate generator. The tailgate folds into a 180-degree workspace platform, featuring a non-slip industrial coating and embedded LED floodlights for night work in remote environments. Inside the 2026 Caterpillar pickup, the cabin combines commercial practicality with controlled luxury. The seats are wrapped in rugged synthetic leather built to resist dust, mud, oil, and chemical exposure. The floor is a washable rubber composite with drainage ports, allowing the cabin to be cleaned using pressure water without damaging electronics. The dashboard is industrial clean, big switches, metal toggles, physical controls for everything critical. No hidden menus for essential systems. You can operate the truck with gloves on, in snow, rain, or sandstorm conditions. In the center sits a 14-inch armored touchscreen that supports Caterpillar's industrial OS, integrated with navigation, terrain mapping, and equipment diagnostics. You will not find cinematic animations here, but you will find real metrics: water depth, torque distribution, engine thermal load, voltage output, hydraulic pressure readings, and anchor status. The cabin also features a dual-layer filtration system, pushing medical-grade filtered air inside when the truck is operated near dust storms or mining zones. The biggest surprise is the powertrain. Caterpillar didn't go fully electric. They went hybrid the Caterpillar way. A 7.0L turbocharged inline-6 industrial diesel drives the front and rear shafts through a heavy-duty transfer system. It is paired with a 120 kilowatts electric motor, offering instant torque for rock crawling and silent approach capability in wildlife zones. Combined output reaches 920 horsepower with a massive 1,750 nanometers of torque, available from nearly idle. That is not sport performance. That is pulling performance. The kind of torque that can move trailers, drag fallen trees, or recover other vehicles without strain. The battery unit is interesting. Caterpillar uses an industrial cobalt-free battery with active cooling channels designed for extreme temperature zones between -45 degrees Celsius and 54 degrees Celsius. Range in EV mode is around 55 kilometers, not for commuting, but for precision work, where diesel isn't practical. Full range with hybrid operation reaches 1,180 kilometers on a combined cycle, depending on load, terrain, and tool usage. Suspension is another major innovation. The front and rear both feature heavy multi-stage adaptive dampers capable of switching between ride modes in 0.4 seconds. On-road, it feels surprisingly stable. Off-road, it transforms into a crawler. The truck can lock the rear axle electronically, send torque to individual wheels through Caterpillar's torque vectoring AI, and maintain crawl speed at 1 km per h with zero throttle input. The onboard computer manages descent control using hydraulic pressure modulation instead of brake pads, avoiding heat buildup. The truck offers 3 major operation modes: road, terrain, and work. In road mode, the diesel and electric motors share power for efficiency. In terrain mode, the electric unit delivers instant torque, while the diesel provides power support when required. In work mode, the engine prioritizes torque and power output to the utility ports, allowing the truck to operate heavy equipment. Towing capacity is beyond standard pickup measurements. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup can pull 17,800 pounds legally, and even more in controlled off-road situations. Payload capacity reaches 3,200 pounds, thanks to the reinforced chassis and leaf spring backup system. This truck is designed to carry loads, not just look powerful. C-Saint Caterpillar integrated deep technology support. The truck is equipped with terrain scanning radar, infrared visibility, and LiDAR mapping. The system builds a digital 3D map of ground texture ahead, predicting traction points and adjusting torque output in real time. Night operations feel like daytime through the multi-spectrum display. The onboard cameras are not automotive grade. They are industrial grade, built for dust, heat, vibration, and shock environments. Safety is focused on survival, not comfort alone. The cabin is a reinforced cage capable of rollover resistance ways beyond automotive standards. Dual air filtration, emergency battery shutdown, external communication antennas, satellite positioning, and distress signal broadcast support are included for remote work locations. So who is this truck for? The average city driver may never need this levels of capability. But expedition teams, remote work crews, construction operators, forest rescue units, and private off-road explorers will see what Caterpillar tried to build. A truck that is not influenced by lifestyle trends, but driven by the reality of tough environments. A truck designed to survive the places where normal trucks fail. Caterpillar plans to produce the pickup in limited numbers starting late 2026, focusing first on North American and Canadian industrial operators. Civilian consumer units will be available in select markets through special order. Pricing is expected to start at $148,000, depending on configuration, tools included, and territory support programs. The question isn't whether this truck is faster than a performance pickup. The question is whether there is any other truck that offers this category of capability. And the answer today is simple. There isn't. Caterpillar entered the market through their strength, industrial engineering, and created a pickup built for real work and real exploration. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Caterpillar pickup, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Drive Rain, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful machines like this.